Sinusitis jerks. Episode clip.
Do you remember the electrolysis experiment where you have two poles in water and you plug them in and you see little bubbles forming around each one?
Yeah.
And one of them was hydrogen, one of them was oxygen.
If you put electricity through water, it separates into hydrogen and oxygen.
Yes.
Both explosive.
And
Yes.
it removes body hair as well. We're talking about electrolysis, right?
Different thing. Different thing. It will make your hair explode. Fun fact,
it'll
ladies.
burn that shit
Electrolysis, set your hair on fire. Miniature explosions. But the problem, of course, because back then in the science class, I was like, oh my God, we could run cars on this. Why are we not doing this right now? Turns out it's super difficult. It takes a lot of electricity, and it takes expensive catalyzers. Usually they're using platinum, other really expensive materials. Body hair. They shave women. They use women's leg hairs.
But only the finest
Only women.
body hair.
What they've managed
young
to do
virgin vagina hair.
is
That got creepy real fast.
yeah. I was trying to walk right by that. I was trying to ignore him, and here's Dave like, no, I smell your vagina.
Boob hair.
The precious, rare boob hair.
So they're basically looking for ways to make these catalysts and membranes with cheaper materials, but
Ass hair.
ass hair, not a good catalyst.
Put a little
Don't know
bit
why.
more common.
Can we just go through all the body part hairs right now before we move on? Back of the neck hair.
Back hair.
What they've done, though, is they've created a system that you can just plug into a normal wall outlet.
Knee hair?
And just pour normal water into it. And the electrolysis will spit out hydrogen and oxygen and put them back together, spit them out real fast out the nozzle, and then light the flame so that the flame starts happening just past the nozzle.
Oh, foot hair.
Which is another cool thing.
Top of the foot, hopefully.
Top of the foot hair.
Yeah.
Because the nozzle then doesn't even get hot like a normal acetylene torch would. And
Wait, why doesn't it get hot?
Thigh hair.
well, maybe if you were paying attention and not talking about body hair, you would know. Tell you what, rewind the goddamn podcast and find out for yourself.
Sinusitis jerks. Episode clip.